go through that big creek.
Okay, so Alec and I are walking down to the creek, trying to get a sense of how far it goes. This, of course, is not the creek. This is the bike path. The creek is that body of water. You can follow where it goes out. That's rushing very, very rapidly. That's the creek back there. And it's run all the way over onto the horse trail. Can you see how far it goes, Alec? See the electrical box. Wonder how long the cable's gonna last.
Not really going down that way though. But Alan is living in Harry's house and probably all dry.
That's close enough.
I feel like he did my car. Oh my god.
Alec, get back out of that.
That is big. Wow. That is fast too. Hold on. That's not good.